Get acquainted with the 2020 Landrover Range Rover Evoque. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a svelte Range Rover Evoque that offers excellence from every vantage point. Solid feeling, lively performance, user-friendly touchscreen connectivity, standard driver assist safety features, and a strikingly stylish sensibility are yours in this remarkable subcompact luxury SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, backup camera, satellite radio, fog lamps, power liftgate. Make the most of the drive in this exceptional Range Rover Evoque. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.